Good day, this is MJ. Alam niyo po ba na isa sa tatlong mga bituin sa watawat ng Pilipinas ay hindi nagre-representa sa Visayas? Let's talk about the Philippine flag. Historical documents revealed that the three stars symbolize Luzon, Panay, and Mindanao. Yes, Panay Island. You heard it right. Wala naman masyadong mali since Panay Island is located din sa Visayas region. However, the National Commission for Culture and the Arts or NCCA clarified the issue. During the Philippine Revolution daw kasi, Panay served as the center for the revolutionary activities in the Visayas region, which is stated din sa 1898 Proclamation of Independence, in which iniugnay ang tatlong bituin sa mga island kung saan nagsimula ang revolusyon, not according to the main island grouping, which is known to be Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. It is a common misconception since ang Philippine flag ay isang national treasure na nagdadala ng malalim na kahulugan at simbolismo sa puso ng mga Pilipino. Samantala, ang ibang parte naman ng Philippine flag ay nagdadala rin ng iba't ibang kahulugan. Ang blue stripe ay nangangahulugang kapayapaan, katotohanan, at katarungan, while the red stripe represents patriotism and valor. The white triangle symbolizes equality and the Katipunan Nationalist Organization. The sun stands for liberty, while the eight rays symbolizes the 8 provinces na nag-aklas laban sa Espanya. Mga probinsyang ito ay ang Manila, Cavite, Bulacan, Pampanga, Nueva Ecija, Tarlac, Laguna, at Batangas. Oha, ngayon alam niyo na ha. Remember, when there is power, there is change. And change requires action. That's why I'm making all of these videos. Hanggang sa susunod, saludo!